Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create images with the PhotoReal feature on Leonardo AI. So what you want to do is to go to Leonardo website and click on this image option. It should bring you to a page like this, and then the next thing you have to do is to click on the model or presets section on the left side of the screen and choose between these two presets, either the lifelike vision or the portrait picture, depending on what you are going for. So if you are looking for a very detailed features in your image, you can choose the lifelike vision, as it creates hyper realistic images with incredible detail. But if you are looking for professional portrait shots, you can choose the portrait preset model. But since I would advise you go for the lifelike vision, and then we can choose the dynamic. We can make it 3D render, and then we can now give it the prompt of our choice and generate the image accordingly. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.